Hello, welcome to Team Amazing. I am so glad you're here. I am Margie McDaniel. I am Team Amazing's leader, but I may not be your direct upline and leader. You may have one of my amazing leaders that are on my team. You may that one day be one of my amazing leaders too. So I'm just so glad you're here, and I wanted to be able to show you around a bit, show you how we work here. And we're a little bit different from other teams. So I hope that you are ready to start your business. It is all up to you. I solely believe that success does not happen overnight, that it is going to come step by step, seed by seed. You're going to plant seeds, you're going to just get known. You are your awesome self. You are amazingly you. People are going to learn to trust you. You are your brand. So stick with us. We're going to show you the tools that you're going to need. You are in this business for yourself, but you are not by yourself. So I just want to let you know that, yeah, that we're here. One thing that I can bring to you as a team leader that others may not as easily is that this is my second time in Avon. Um, I'm just celebrating 6 years for my second time. And I have worked this business in all kinds of fashions. I have worked it from um, vendor events to passing out Avon books, um, visiting businesses, everything that we talk about doing. But then I have MS. It developed and it has put me into a wheelchair, and I am fully running my business 99% from home. So I have what I think the best of both worlds of experience to be able to share with you how to run your business where you're at, what you're comfortable with, and hopefully we, me and my leaders, other team members, we can all pull together and run the business that you want to run the way you want to run it. So, some of us are full time, some of us have other jobs. Yeah, we all are different, but yet we all can help each other run a better, successful business. So, I want to go ahead and share my screen just to show you a couple of things that we do a little bit different here. One thing that I'm going to show you is that you have seen on if you've got your welcome letter. So it has advised you, this is your back office. If you're on a computer view, otherwise you are on the Avon Go app, which is fantastic. I run my business 50-50 off of both. I use both of them. But you will have seen that for training, one of your options is Avon U. That is up here on the top, and you click in there, and it's going to take you to a new representative hub. If you are coming back into the business, some of these skills may be basic, but things change. We have evolved, and I am a team leader that fully takes advantage of evolution. I mean, we are trying to be where our clients are now. And you're going to see that with some of the things I'm going to bring up here. So you can go into Avon U for training, but I am also a huge YouTube user. So a lot of my trainings, if you would like to see those, when you come into mine, it is Avon with Margie on YouTube. You can type in at Avon with Margie. You're going to come right to mine. And if you're seeing this video, yeah, you're seeing it on here. So when you first come in, if you're coming in just through YouTube, it's going to show you a display of all the videos. But if you go to playlists, that is where you're going to be able to go to see exactly where you're wanting to be. if you're coming in through this video, it's going to have brought you into this new reps basics of Avon. It is going to be a full list of basic training. What is a campaign? How do I order books? Where do I get started? Um, how do I get paid? All of those basic ones are going to get answered in these videos here. They're short videos, except for one in growing your business, and that is a little bit longer. Then you're going to move up to digital tools to grow your business. If you are at all wanting to grow your business digitally, which I hope that you are, because that's where we are going to meet our customers. That's where we are going to save money. So this is going to go into all of the business tools that we have at our availability through Avon. That is our digital brochure, how to maneuver it, how to work through it, how to share it, promotions, how to make your own promotions and get them to your customers. Digital virtual makeover tool. How do you use that? How do you share that with your customers? A list of digital tools are going to be within that. But as you can see, we also have our team meetings are here for uh, for you to go back and watch replays. And of course, they move as I put in stuff. So I will be changing this. We were team by step, but I decided that you guys have been so amazing that we upgraded and we are now team amazing, because I just think that you guys have so much potential. So it will say team amazing meetings here soon. And you will be able to replay all of our back meetings if you want. There is one about me if you would like to get a little bit more about me. I have my product reviews in a playlist. Google Your Business is a tool that I highly suggest for everyone. Please get with me, get with your leader. Let's talk about getting your Google business page set up, because that is where you're going to get your customers coming into you. That's where your customers are. They're going to pick up their phone. Where's Avon the Avon nearest me? That's where they're going to find you. That's where I want you to be. So we're going to do Google business. And if you are also techie, and you don't even have to be techie, but if you're willing to share, I am diving into boards, which is a way for me to share exact verbiage of what I do and send it to you on your phone through the boards app. You are able to share that up to your customers. And from the beginning, when you're just learning, that's a way to be able to get your business going and making sure that you are doing exactly what you need to do. And you don't have to worry about, what do I say? What do I do? This one is going to be, I'm going to be making a boards how-to video. It's brand new to our team. So I hope you guys are excited. We also are diving into our latest team video. We're also diving into AI. That's where a lot of people are getting their verbiage from and what they're doing. The other thing that, oh, and I had, of course, I'll do that later. The other place that I want you to be, if possible, is on our Avon group page, which is Avon Team Amazing. It was in the email, but you can also just look it up and join us there, because I have resources in here for you, like campaign mailer. Now that is on my YouTube video also, but I also go in here and like this. Yesterday was a self-care day. I went in there and I gave you 25, I gave the team 25 different topics that they could have shared out with um, their customers on social media, that they could have taken off with and had some social media conversation to start. So I do provide um, extra um, tools, extra, just extra support within the team page that, if you're waiting on me, I do emails. If you're an email person, I do text. But if you want the full effect of me, of the team, then you should join in the team and get the help that is there. That way you're the first to get the codes for our live shopping events, another digital tool that you need to take advantage of. Team meetings are uh, streamed there along with being in Zoom where you can talk to me one-on-one. And then we also have, uh, um, recognition and just anything new that is coming and that we are working on. Announcements when things are sold out, you can get these immediately. So if you are a top or if you are a Facebook user, please join us there. So that's kind of how our group works. I am pretty much trying to be where you need to be. But the one thing that I want to say about this business is that um, in order for you to be successful, you have to take the initiative. You have to make sure that you reach out to me or to your upline and your immediate team leader and let us know what you need help in. If we send out a text and we're asking you questions, respond. Make sure that you get involved and that you're taking advantage of all of this that we are offering for you. Um, this is what we're using. We're trying to let you use it also. So take the initiative, run your business, and we will help you be as successful as possible. So with that, I can't wait to get to know all of you. Touch base with us, answer us, and we will work this together. And we are going to be stronger together as a team. So again, welcome to the team, and I can't wait for us to see how far you're going to get to go.